Tie-dye reader.
Must Push Buttons by Jason Good. Illustrated by Jarrett J. Krosoczka. Read by tie-dye reader Kristie. Must push buttons. You really want to know what he's thinking? Really? Okay. Brace yourself. I want to play with Daddy's phone. I want to put on Mommy's shoes. Tap, tap, tap. Get Mommy's shoes off my feet now. I want to turn the microwave on and off. I want to open and close the refrigerator. I need to push some buttons. I want to pick up the cat by its head. I want to throw all the toothbrushes in the sink. Wait, I'm really hungry. No, you did not just give me fruit. Cheddar bunnies! I'm thirsty. No, not for that. Yes, perfect. Juice box. I'm gonna squeeze this thing all over myself. Now my pants are wet. Wow, is that my toe? Wait, where's Daddy? Where's the cat? Where's Mommy? Mommy left forever. Oh, there she is. I want to play with her phone. I want to go for a walk, but I don't want to go outside. No, not inside either. I'm tired. I'm not tired. This shirt itches. Stop asking me if I'm tired. I want to put on that awesome song that annoys you. What is up with my shirt? Where's the toy that goes beep, beep, beep? I want to take a bath in my clothes. Beep, beep, beep. I need to push some buttons. Oh, look, a new person. I wonder if he has a phone. You did not just try to take off my shirt again. Did I hear a dog bark? Where's the dog? Wait, do we have a dog? I want to see a dog now. Never mind, I want to play with the iPad. I think I peed. I'm bored. If I could just play with Daddy's phone.
Tie-dye reader.